All right, good morning, class. I hope that everyone had a wonderful weekend. I apologize that I am not in this building today. You guys know that I always like to warn you when I am not in school. However, my sickness last week that I had was a little more serious than I had thought, so I am out of commission for a few days. After some feedback from my last few absences, I felt it was necessary that we kind of take our approach to this type of learning in a different way. When you look in the page for today in Canvas, you're going to notice that there are different modules. You need to go through each module individually. In the program PlayPosit, I am able to monitor your progress through each. That way, I know that you are going through each module in order and completing each and every one of them. So there is no excuse for why something didn't get done because we will be doing it as a class, but you will also be working through it at your own pace. And we are going to do a whole class lesson. So for the agenda today, you should be updating your planner. In the next module that you'll be watching, we're going to be reviewing your spiral review. And the next one, we're going to be reviewing and annotating TOC4. Then we're going to take a look at the focus notes for TOC6. You'll be completing a classwork practice assignment. We'll be going over a whiteboard check, and then you'll be completing your exit ticket. The only things that you need for class today is you need a highlighter, your Chromebook, and a writing utensil. Some important dates, because you were supposed to take a proportional relationship quiz today, I didn't feel it was appropriate for you to take a quiz when I was not there. So we will be reviewing and quizzing when I return on Wednesday, January 25th, and you have no school on Monday, January 30th. It is my goal that I will be on securely during your class time, monitoring your progress. So if you have any questions or need any assistance, please make sure that you ask me or ask any guest teacher that is in the class for that day. All right, let's get to it.